Hey, when's the last time you guys seen one of these? Old Weiser. Put your key in there. Pull that out. Turn it to about 2:30, 3 o'clock. Anyway, now you know what that weiser tool is for. It's in your pick set that you never use. Just to push this back. You run it down the side of your key, pushes the spring, pushes this back, and then you take it out with the key instead of having to take it off the lock, take it off the door. You just take the cylinder out. A lot of little rookie boys ain't never even seen this thing. Yes.